taking a quick look at the charger that I picked up from the shop team. I got this one in white. I believe it also came in black. Now it is a 3-way charger. On top here you've got your cradle for your watch. On the front here you've got your MagSafe attachment for your phone, and underneath, discreetly at the back, you've got your little section for your iPods. So the way it would work is you would just put your watch on there and it kind of like clips in, it's like cradles into it quite nicely so it doesn't sort of shift too much. And then your phone you would put on the front there and it would attach, so you could pick it up around. This is perfect for your desk, maybe your bedside table, just get everything charged up ready for the next day, and then you put your iPods there. I can't find my iPods. It does come, of course, with the cable. It also comes with a plug as well. The cable is a good length, I think. It would get behind your desk quite nicely. Now, if you're looking to use it without using the plug, just put it straight into maybe a computer or a multi-socket port. This is a USB-C port. Just in case you're thinking it's going to be a USB, it's USB-C. Let me plug this in and show you how it works. So I've got it all plugged in there. I'm just going to put my watch on the cradle. As you can see, it lit up there to say that it is now charging, and there's a clip of my phone on there like that. And of course you can have it that way if you want to have it that way to have your clock display read out when you charge, just like that one is. Or you could obviously watch it. Now it is a fixed angle, so if you're wanting to watch TV, you have to be happy with the angle because you cannot adjust it. But for me that's fine. I don't tend to do that with my chargers, but bear it in mind. I think it just gives a nice angle for a clock display, to be honest. I quite like that. So yeah, it does the job I want it to do. It's a good size. It seems like a really nice build. I can't ask for more than that.